What's up, guys? Exhaust. We're going to touch on the rear bumpers and what you can do to make your Galant look good. Episode 3. So just like the last two videos, just to let you guys know again, you can get your JDM parts through the Galant forums on Facebook. There's a bunch of different forums, and I'll put them down in the description. So like I said, patience. You can also get aftermarket parts for your bumper, lips, or just a whole bumper. BODYKITS Online is a good website that has a bunch of different options. You can take your take a stroll through there and look and see what they have. I believe they are based overseas, possibly Russia, so the shipping is going to be a decent amount of money for the bigger parts. But if you're just looking for like an add-on, for example, like a Super VR4 lip add-on for the rear, that shouldn't cost too much being shipped. I want to say also, to put those JDM parts on, you're going to need a JDM bumper. The JDM bumper is shallower. It doesn't stick out as far rearward as the US bumper. So you have to take that in consideration when you're buying JDM parts. They're just not going to go onto your US bumper, your US rear bumper. So yeah, there's a bunch of options. BODYKITS Online, Magnet Tuning. There's a couple other places that sell parts as well for the rear. For the JDM OEM available parts that came on the VR4 Galant, you have the pre-facelift, you have the facelift, and you have the Super VR4. I don't know too much about the rear for the facelift and the non-facelift. I don't know if they're any different. I'll see if I can find a picture to show. But yeah, those are the options if you want to stick with a OEM. From there on then, you can also go custom. I'll see if I can find a picture, because I was messing with a 02 to 03 Lancer OZ Rally, and I ended up cutting a lip, and I basically was going to add it on, like similar to how the Super VR4 rear lip is added on. It's just the halves. There's no middle section. I'll see if I could find a picture and I'll post it up. I'm also working on a new lip for the rear. It's for it's from a 2006 BMW 3 Series. The exhaust is on the left side, just like the Galant. The bumper seems to be long in terms of like how far it sticks out, so I'm hoping that it matches up. If it's longer, the better. I can always cut, and I can fold the lip in and make it work. But that's something for you guys to check out in the future. I may post a video. I think I just may post it anyway. If it does work or not work, I'm probably just going to post it anyway, just to at least give people an idea of what I'm working with. And yeah, this video is going to be short, but hey, stay out there for the BODYKITS video, because there's things to know about the JDM bumpers that I haven't talked about. There's fitments and stuff like that you need to understand. There's modifications that have to be done to run JDM parts. So hopefully you guys stick around for the next video, and we'll go through the website and we'll see what the website has to offer, and maybe I'll try to figure out shipping, like what shipping would be if you would order from some of these websites. So yeah, stick around for those videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.